those socks don't look like the same.
They don't?
No.
Oh, why?
Because that color looks like your sock, and that one looks like that sock.
So you trying to tell me I got on mismatched socks?
Yeah. You have to take them off.
No.
You do.
No. No, don't move. See? Everybody see my socks. Because you already say, Paige, those don't look the same.
My foot's up.
It's okay. So how was your day today?
Good.
Tell me about it.
Good is what you call the day when I play on the playground.
That water tastes good?
Yes. I'm going to talk to you.
Wait a minute.
I'm going to talk to you. I'll be right back. I'll sit back on the chair.
Okay.
Why are you doing the bathroom?
Oh, practicing.
You don't know what to say pressing is. You don't practice in the bathroom.
She don't practice in the bathroom?
No.
No, he said you don't practice in the bathroom.
You struggling?
I don't know.
You don't know? Don't do that to the flower.
I just want to touch it.
So, what are you going to do tomorrow?
Just like a smell flower. I like the smell flowers. This one is full of ants. Did you like the smell flowers?
Yes, I gave Mama a flower today. It was an orange one.
Oh, I got the second one.
Yeah.
Can I get more of this one?
No, because it's not real.
Oh, it's a big one?
It's a big one, but it's not real.
You want some drink?
No.
Okay. How about some water?
No.
Okay. You want?
Hmm?
We want.
Nothing.
You didn't eat yet when you didn't eat.
I know I didn't eat.
You have to eat right now when Mom comes downstairs.
I didn't want to eat. I didn't feel like it.
You don't feel like it?
No.
You was being sick?
No. Just tired.
Oh. You want some water?
No.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Okay.
Are you going to school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Who's taking you? Who?
Go talk to my mom and she told me to go back to go to school. And I always say that.
Why didn't you get up this morning?
Because I like to get them and play my toy.
You didn't want to go to school this morning?
Yes.
Yes, you did.
Yes.
So why didn't you get up?
Because I like to get up and play my toy.
You gotta take a break and drink some water.
I don't. So what do you think you're going to do next week?
I don't know what the devil he said just now.
Man, I can't open the water top.
That's what he was trying to do.
You trying to open a water top, but you already have water in your cup.
But I want to open this water top.
Why?
Because I want to put it in here.
But you don't need any more in there. Drink all of that one out that cup first.
Can somebody want to open it?
Maybe.
You?
Maybe.
Okay.
Refreshing. Tastes good? Where's Bubby?
He's here.
Oh. You sure? I think the monster take him.
Who take him?
The monster.
Uh-oh. The monster must be taking right in the duck water. The monster must be taking right inside the water.
And what water?
The duck's water. What's so funny? What is so funny?
You.
Me?
Yes.
Why?
Because you said that the monster took Rajon in the duck's water.
That's funny.
Yes.
That's silly.
Mm-hmm.
I want some ice.
You eat some ice.
Don't break any ice.
Yeah, look
I
all that.
told you no water.
Look, you
No
got spit
ice.
all up in your cup.
And I told you I don't want that a lot. I want 5 cents.
25 cents.
You want 5 cents.
No, I want one that's like a water.
Where are you going?
I couldn't drink water out because I'll come back. That's too a lot.
Bubby, say hi.